Hauling ass. You were probably in fifth by then. I looked right over at you. That was kind of cool. So you got it filming?
Yeah, it went dee-dee-dee, then I pushed the top one.
Let me see. Yep, it's flashing, and when it flashes red, it's filming.
Oh, yeah, I can feel the front heaviness of it.
Can you really?
It pushes the helmet down.
Wow.
That one, you don't even realize it's on there.
And it's half the price.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Rolling start or stop?
Rolling start.
right there.
I was all over the place that guy.
Yeah, you were.
Man, it was dead. I thought I was gonna hit you.
Yeah, I was thinking to myself, am I far enough away from him? And then I was like, oh yeah, I'm good. And then all of a sudden you went, and I was like, oh shit, well, maybe not.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. I was like, look forward so I can see if the camera's pointing forward. I didn't mean ride for it. That's what
Oh,
I
I thought you wanted me to watch
look,
you. I thought you wanted to film of you launching.
Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, this will be cool.
He's gonna have to redo that. No good tree. Ooh, it's hot. Smell that race fuel now. Feel better about that one?
Spinning out of control everywhere we go, man.
Yeah. Well, look at how deep we've dug that down now.
Yeah.
We had good packed shit there. It's,
Good pack shit.
you'd have to stop now, or start 30 feet behind there now
Yeah.
to get any decent shit, because we've
Yeah.
opened it up.
Even at a rolling start, it's tough.
Yeah.
That was second gear that time. Usually I was trying third.
Yeah, I've figured out that I think it starts better in first.
Really?
Mine?
Yeah.
And then you go second, third, fourth, you know, real quick. But shit, I'm in fourth before I even clear these damn bushes. Before I even get to the end of there, I'm already in fourth.
I think I'm shifting to fourth. Right there.
Yeah, I'm already in it and going and trying to go to fifth, and I'm out.
I'm trying to not hit them
Yeah.
because I'm lifting and it's going one way or the other.
Here, try it on this one and see if there's a difference in the suspension.
Shit, it's been so long since I rode that, I'll probably kill myself.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I better not ride it today.
Okay.
But I'll let you ride this one.
Well, I just have an issue with that damn clutch.
Yeah.
I can't. I hate stalling something all the time, and I constantly stall it.
Well, what next? Let's do some more looping.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You and your electric start. I hate you. Ah, shit. And then there's that. Yeah. And this is a deep hole. Oh, I got that on film.
Best way to learn something is to fuck it up.
Well,
You're gonna be an expert by the end of the day.
I almost ate the rock, so.
Oh, did you? Sand or rock?
Both.
Ooh. Gonna get loud.
Coming around there like that. Hitting that corner real hard, real fast.
Yeah.
That front tire loses grip. My leg was way the fuck back here. All I could do is pour more fuel on it.
It's not smoking at all now.